You found Paw Daddy's Blind Hog Barbecue. Now, no matter how good the main dish is, it always requires a great side dish. In today's video, I'll show you how to make a top shelf crowd pleaser. It's Mimi's Special Green Beans. 6 ingredients, easy to make. You're gonna love this recipe. Now, there's an old recipe from back in the 70s called bundled green beans, and this recipe is a modification of the bundled green bean recipe, but it's a whole lot easier. The taste is off the charts good, and if you're looking for a signature dish, then this is for you. For our ingredients, we need 4 cans of cut green beans, 1 cup of brown sugar, a ½ teaspoon of garlic salt, 5 to 6 slices of smoked maple bacon, 1 cup of butter, and 1 teaspoon of soy sauce. To cook these green beans, we need to add the 4 cans of the cut green beans that are drained into a 9 by 13 Pyrex dish. We want to take the uncooked bacon slices and cut them into small pieces. I like to cut them lengthways and then crossways, making ½ inch squares. And you can stack several pieces together while you do this, so it makes it go a lot quicker. And then you place those little pieces of bacon all over your green beans. And then you want to add the butter, the brown sugar, the soy sauce, and the garlic sauce into a sauce bowl. Then melt that butter. I'm using my microwave. Now whisk it all together until it's combined. We want to pour this sugary goodness over the green beans, cover and refrigerate overnight. Next, we want to cook the green beans uncovered in your oven or grill at 350 degrees for 30 to 40 minutes. Now when the bacon is cooked, then it's ready to eat. But just keep in mind that the bacon's never going to get super crispy. Look how incredibly delicious this looks. It tastes great. The only trouble with this recipe is there's never any left over. You can find this recipe in the description area at YouTube. Hit that like button on your way out. Consider subscribing, and I hope to see you next time at Paw Daddy's Blind Hog Barbecue.